Hi there, students. What's the difference between achieve and accomplish? I think this one's quite a difficult one. Clearly, there is a lot of overlap in the meaning between the two. Let's see, to accomplish, to finish something successfully. The students accomplished the task in less than 10 minutes. We've accomplished so much. Yeah, I feel as if I've accomplished nothing today. Okay, so to accomplish, to do or finish successfully, to achieve, to succeed in finishing something or reaching an aim. But achieve is particularly after a lot of hard work. Yeah. In order to achieve this level of English, you have had to work for many years. Yeah? In order to achieve your ambitions, you need to work at it. It's not something that happens overnight. I feel as if I've been working all day but have accomplished nothing. Okay, so to achieve is to do or obtain something that you wanted, having planned and worked hard to make it happen. Okay, to accomplish, to bring about as a result of effort. And then to achieve, to carry out successfully. We have achieved a gradual increase in production. We have accomplished the goal of increasing production by 90%. So to accomplish, to bring to completion, to fulfill. Okay, he accomplished his task, succeed in doing. But he achieved his objectives. He achieved fame as a singer. Yeah? He achieved the best performance he has ever given. So to achieve a task, to accomplish a task as well, to achieve, to succeed in accomplishing. So now let's look at the difference. I think accomplish is more tangible than achieve. Yeah? If you accomplish something, you have a goal. There is a specific finish line where you accomplish something. Whereas to achieve has more the idea of pride and honour. Let's see, if somebody asked you how you had accomplished something, they would give you the details about how they actually did the task. Yeah? How did you achieve success in internet? Well, by producing lots of videos and regularly. But if I asked how you accomplished it, okay, sorry, yeah, that's more what I'm doing. How you accomplished it, then I'm going to tell you the exact details. Whereas I talk about achieving it, I'm talking about long-term things, dedication, self-discipline, effort. Yeah? So, yeah, you accomplish your goal. Whereas you achieve something more profound, something maybe a bit more abstract. So to accomplish, normally you accomplish large and important things. Yeah, you don't normally accomplish little things. I don't know. I accomplished the lunch. I accomplished making lunch. If that was a very, very difficult task for you, then maybe you could use accomplished. But if it's something you do regularly that's easy, I wouldn't use it. But then okay. You don't normally say to achieve a task. You normally say to accomplish a task. So to accomplish something. Let's see. Also, look at the nouns that go with accomplish. To accomplish an aim, to accomplish a feat, to accomplish a milestone, to accomplish a mission, to achieve an aim, to achieve a breakthrough, to achieve a consensus, to achieve independence, to achieve greatness. I wouldn't accomplish greatness. To achieve success, to accomplish success. I think achieve success means to accomplish. Yeah, accomplish has that success idea with it. Okay, so to achieve, this is something you achieve. An achievement is something you are proud of. I guess an accomplishment as well, but achieve has more the idea of working hard towards getting it, where accomplish talks about being successful in doing this. You could accomplish something very easily, but I think to achieve you need to work hard in the face of difficulty. Yeah? So you could accomplish something with difficulty, you could achieve something with difficulty, but achieve has more the idea of pride because you've overcome problems. Whereas accomplish, I was successful. Yeah, I accomplished my objective. So let's see, they're both regular verbs. He accomplished his goal, he achieved his aim, he has accomplished many things today, he has achieved everything he set out to achieve. As in formality, both of these verbs are a 5 out of 10, you can use them anywhere. And then let's see, as to origin, to achieve, it comes from Latin, probably from the verb accapare, add, to, and caput, the head. Yeah, so to the head. And then to accomplish, to, again from Latin, maybe through French, accomplir, add, to, and complir, to fill, to complete. Yeah, so accomplish, get to the end of it, whereas achieve, to the head. Well, okay, so to accomplish, to finish successfully, to complete, to execute fully, to fulfill. Whereas to achieve, to succeed in something, particularly an academic performance or in life, to carry out something successfully, to accomplish. As I said, there's a lot of overlap between the two verbs. To gain a desired result as the result of hard work, to win, to succeed in gaining something, to obtain, yeah, to obtain material things or material positions. Okay, so I hope that's helped you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Accomplish or achieve.